Magandang hapon, Madrid Nation. Andito ulit tayo sa panibagong episode. Episode 52. So, pinaka-inaabangan ng lahat ang Amazing Race. Ang Amazing Race natin ay bukas na po. So, isang tulog na lang at bukas ay Amazing Race. And hindi ko lang alam kung makakatulog pa kayo because you have to be in the venue by 6 a.m. And so kung late kayo uwi, baka magpe-prepare pa kayo. So sobrang excitement nyo, hindi na kayo makatulog. You would start the Amazing Race at aalis na kayo ng bahay siguro mga 3 or 4 a.m. in the morning at nandun na kayo by 6 a.m. So, ano mangyari bukas? Hindi pa natin alam dahil everything is a surprise. Everything is new. The venue is new. The location is new. The challenges are new. Yun, maraming bago bukas. So, everybody including me is very excited. In fact, pati yung family ko, sila attorney, sila Ma'am Sonia, lahat sila gusto nila tumakbo rin para maging part ng Amazing Race 2016. Final tips na lang for the Amazing Race. Make sure lang make sure lang today na basahin nyo lahat ng mga nakasulat sa base camp natin. Maraming mga tips and guidelines on the Amazing Race tomorrow. And most importantly, tomorrow, if there will be changes, make sure lang na makinig kayo mabuti before you run your race. Now, for our construction updates. Magandang araw, Madrid Nation. Dito tayo ulit sa Chatham Office at ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga nagawa nila Joseph ng isang araw. Tingnan natin. Pinturan na namin ng black ang mga aming sprinklers. So that's the update and wala pa masyado action dahil wala pa rin kami permit. That's the update. So that's all, folks. Bye! So alam ko lahat kayo ay magiging very busy ngayon sa pagpe-prepare, pag-meeting at pag-strategize sa mga teams. Don't forget to bring your breakfast tomorrow at yung mga medicine kit just in case. And tomorrow we'll see you. And don't forget to wave tomorrow kasi kami ay magpapalipad ng drone. Bye-bye! What